Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the middle oven door glass on your electric range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Fully open the oven door and rotate both door hinge locks back. Partially close the door, then lift and pull the door toward you to remove. Set the door handle side down on a towel or blanket. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, unthread the 4 bottom screws securing the outer door panel. Next, unthread the 2 upper screws securing the door handle and the inner panel assembly. Set the handle aside. You can now separate the inner and outer door panels. Now unthread the 4 screws securing the 2 door hinges. Set the hinges aside. Unthread the spacers from the upper screws and fully remove the screws. Now unthread the screws to release the left and right side trim pieces. Unthread the 8 screws securing the retaining panel. Remove the panel. You can now remove the old middle door glass, if still intact. Install the new middle oven door glass by aligning it in the frame. Reinstall the retaining panel by aligning the bottom edge first. Thread the 8 screws to secure. Reinstall the left and right side trim pieces. Reinsert the upper screws through the panel and thread on the spacers. Align the hinges with the inner panel and rethread the screws. Join the inner door assembly and the outer door panel together. Realign the handle and fully thread the upper screws to secure it. Replace the 4 bottom screws. Reinstall the oven door by inserting the door hinges into the hinge slots at a 45-degree angle. Lower the door to its fully open position, then rotate the hinge locks forward. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and your electric range should be ready for use.